Open, they can say you can come to Valen's Playhouse. Nothing else to say, dude, so come on in to Valen's Playhouse.
What a wonderful day to be working at Winco Foods. Huh? Okay, time to go get some food. Hi there. Hello. See you later. Bye. Have a nice day. Alright guys, I got the groceries. What took you so long?
Yeah, that was like an hour.
No, it was only 10 minutes.
No, it was an hour.
It was only 10 minutes. Go home so I can go to the toilet. I really have to go. Hello, sir. Are you here to buy some beautiful food from Winco Foods? Have a nice day. I love my job as a manager.
Hey, boss.
Hi.
When am I gonna get my paycheck?
How many hours have you been working?
Like 10.
Okay, that's $50.
Only?
Oh, sorry, that's 500.
Yay, thank you, boss.
You're welcome. Is that truck moving?
Wait, it is. Wait. Hey, come back here. Call 911.
Come back here!
What a wonderful day to be outside.
911, help us, please!
911, what's your emergency?
Help me, please help me! Our truck has mysteriously vanished. Please help us.
Alright, where's your location?
I'm at Winco.
Alright, I will send some of our officers your way.
Thank you.
Hey, come back here. Hey, you're arrested. Got you. Put on these handcuffs.